everyone. I have set up a new Pendulum Pour setup and I'm going to try it. I have not tested it out, but heck, we're just going to experiment. So I have my twine here. It is thumbtacked to my ceiling. And then I have these condiment bottles that I got off Amazon. Cute little condiment bottles. We cut the bottom off, filled them with paint. Stuck it in my twine using a hair tie to secure it. And then I have the pink paint, the gold paint, and the blue paint. And I'm using a lot of my older paints with these experiments just to use them. This canvas is a 10 by 10 canvas. It had a tear in here, so I thought it'd be perfect for our little experiment. And I have covered it with white paint. So, let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to pull the cap off of here, and then I'm going to give it a little swirl. Doing a test run right now. And actually, I feel like I'm going to get blue paint into here, so I'm going to move it. Get it into a little safe zone and move this bottle. I don't know what that is. Okay, so I'm going to pull the cap off. I'm going to put my finger over the hole, and then I'm going to release it. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Oh, right, that's cool. My cat has decided to join us. You can hear her. She came in the door. Well, this is really cool. It's making the circles. Okay. I'm going to plug that up real quick. All right. Experiment is slightly successful. Let me get a different color on. So I'm going to pull the hair tie off. I'm going to take this off. And this little holder I'm using is a holder my mother-in-law made for me. It's for essential oil roller bottles. And I needed something to hold my paint, so I put my bottles in something else. Okay. Look at there. Let's try this now. I'm going to pull the cap off, hold it with my finger. The cap's on there good. Okay. My little kitty's not approving of all this. Okay, there we go. Look at. Woo! Oh, this is so cool. Very cool. This is super exciting. I can see a lot of things happening with this. What? Oh, my daughter's in here too. The pink is very calming to my kitty. Okay, let's plug that up. And let's try the gold now. I thought it'd be fun just to alternate colors to see what we can do. Is this gold? Put in my little harness. Just a little makeshift, inexpensive twine, tied some knots, got a hair tie. Because I really didn't want to invest a lot of money in this until I figure out how to work it. And even then, if this works, it's great. Okay, so now I'm going to go this way. Huh. Gold got a little bloppy. Okay, I'm going to do the blue again. This is really cool. What do you guys think? You guys type in the comments. Let me know. Let me know if you guys have tried this. And if you have, you should send me some photos because I would love to see them. Whoops. There we go. Whoa. This is so cool. Wow. This is almost therapeutic, just watching the paint in circles. Okay, let's do another color now. Oops, I altered the line there. And I might be hitting the camera, so I'm sorry if it's shaking a little bit. The twine is right next to the camera. Okay, let's try the pink. Let's try pink. Pink is super bright with the blue. Okay, this little setup is pretty awesome. Okay. I pushed it. And the paint, I just mixed it like I would mix my paint for a swipe pour. It's a little on the thick side, which is working out pretty awesome. Look at all those lines, they're still maintaining. The first blue got all mushed, but that's okay. Debating whether or not I should let it fill it in. Okay, pour it out. And let's do gold now. All right. Oh, there it goes. I think I made this circle a little too big. It's going to take a while to go in. It's all right. Look at that go.
Yes, smiley face.
My daughter's with me right now, by the way.
He has a smiley face.
Has a smiley face. Where?
Dot, dot, and then the pink line.
Oh my gosh. There's a smiley face. This is cool. I even like it when it does the dots. Yeah, this gold paint I think is a little too old. It's getting clumpy and weird. But it's perfect for what we're doing. It's almost like turning into a grungy. Should I do a blue again?
I think. I want to say pink, but I think you should put blue. I know.
My daughter's whispering.
Whisper, whisper, whisper.
Dark blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why not?
Should I let the circle go though? Let the gold go?
Destroy the smiley face?
Well, yeah, I guess so. Okay, it's starting to spitter spatter. Whoops, so let's do this. Oh, I think the gold's at its end. Okay. This is so cool. Have I said? Oh, sorry, the camera's shaking. Okay, blue. And these bottles are washable, so I can go wash them with warm water and soap, and then I can use them again on different colors. Diagonal?
Yes. Spice it up a bit.
I gotta work on my releasing technique.
When you bump it, it breaks the pendulum. The swinging.
Oh, swinging. There you go.
Yeah.
It's late in the day for us. We're getting
I just
a little-
can't talk.
Just getting a little tired. Now I'm doing some art therapy. This is really cool. I might get a cut on vinyl, maybe a saying that says "be you" or something. Some sort of mom quote, as Sarah would say.
It's a mom quote.
Now, should I do pink on top of this? Because I do have pink left.
Sure, why not?
Now, should I stretch this or should I just leave
No.
it? Just leave it?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh. This is so cool. Plop, 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 plop. Okay. Put the lid on it. Gonna pull this off. Do a little quick change. Go like this.
Your hair tie and paint and it bothers me.
It's alright. I got 100,000 more hair ties. Okay. Now, when I release this one, should I do like this way?
No, I like this.
Just keep going?
Yeah. I have a diagonal. It's a diagonal.
Oh, sorry. Practice, practice. That'll be step 2 for this technique. Now that I actually figured out a working mechanism, then we can practice and try some color themes too. I think it would be really cool if we did a whole purple color theme. Purple and light pink. And maybe some black.
Do it.
Or even glow in the dark and neon. Yeah, this pink is really cool on top of it. I think this will be the last layer. It almost looks like a beaded chain because of the little droplets.
Like it? Makes me think of Jupiter. With the rings.
Reminds me
Or
of
wait, does Jupiter have wings? Rings?
Saturn.
Saturn? Yeah. Saturn has the moons.
Reminds me of the 1980s.
Portal.
Pop art 1980s.
Oh.
Oh, look at this. This is like so cool. I'm just going to let it keep dripping in the middle like that. There is a lot of paint on here, so if I don't tilt it, I am concerned it's going to stretch and go. So
I mean, if you want to tilt it, go for it.
I think I should let it do its thing, and then I'll take photos when it's dry and put it at the end of this video. Okay, there we go. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching us learn this little experiment. Be sure to subscribe to our page and hit the bell. And thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting our channel. Every time you support our channel and our store, it just leads to us doing more fun stuff and having you participate with us. So thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.